Today, we'll be solving LeetCode 153, find minimum in rotated sorted array. This is a classic interview problem where we are given a sorted array that has been rotated at some unknown pivot. The elements are all unique, and our task is to return the minimum value in the array. The key requirement here is that our solution must run in O of log n time, which strongly hints at using binary search instead of scanning the array linearly. Let's understand the idea first. A rotated sorted array looks like two sorted halves. For example, if the array was sorted like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then rotated, the smallest element might appear somewhere in the middle. Binary search helps us eliminate half of the array in each step until we land on the minimum. So, let's walk through the code step by step and understand how we can apply binary search to this rotated array. We start by defining a function called findMin that takes in a list of numbers called nums. First, we set two pointers, left and right. We assign left to 0 and right to len of nums minus 1. These two pointers will help us search within a range. Next, we write a while loop. While left is less than right, we keep narrowing down the range. This is our binary search loop. Inside the loop, we calculate the midpoint. We do this using mid equals left plus right minus left divided by 2. This formula avoids overflow and gives us the middle index. Now comes the key logic. We compare nums at mid with nums at right. If nums at mid is greater than nums at right, it means the smallest value must be to the right of mid. So we move the left pointer to mid plus 1. Otherwise, if nums at mid is less than or equal to nums at right, this means the minimum could be at mid or to the left of mid. So we move the right pointer to mid. We keep doing this until left meets right. At that point, the loop exits, and left will point to the index of the smallest value. Finally, we return nums at left, which gives us the minimum element in the array. This solution runs in O of log n time because in every step, we divide the search space in half. And we only use constant space since we just track two pointers. And that's how you solve LeetCode 153, find minimum in rotated sorted array. Thank you for watching and let's keep learning.